Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and I'm going to take you through a redecorate of my bedroom today. It's my master bedroom, and I haven't really done an official decoration of it. I've painted it many times. I've probably lost square footage of my house considering how many times I've done different colors on my walls. But today we're concentrating on the master bedroom. And I do have some videos that I already posted of a declutter and a deep clean of the master bedroom, which I will sprinkle about in the video here. And let's see what we can do with this. All right, guys, so here's a little peek of what I'm going to be using today to redecorate. Now, this is stuff that I've been accumulating over the last few months. And I can try and tell you where everything is or link it below in the description. Some things that I have here, I'm not sure if I'm going to use. For instance, this gold frame. It's a little too gold. I didn't want something that gold. But here, I'll do a real quick go through of where I got what. All right, so this back here is a king size coverlet that I got at Walmart. I picked up this gray fuzzy pillow from Joann's when it was on clearance. Same thing with these. These are just little pillow covers, throw pillow covers that I picked up at Joann on clearance. I picked this up at Ikea's, just a set of 2 curtains that we're going to change out. I grabbed up 2 inserts for the pillow covers that I have here. This is something I grabbed from that I grabbed from Amazon. I can definitely link this below. This is just the duvet cover, just a basic white pin tucked duvet cover. I wasn't going to go with white. That's why I got the blush color, but I'm not sure yet. I might go back and forth. We'll see. I did get these. I do like these. I think they're really pretty. However, I think I might use them more for spring and summertime. Sorry, sun's drumming. Over here I have some picture frames. I picked up these 2 picture frames at the dollar store. And this is more of, it's kind of really not coming across as nice as they are. It's more of a subtle, muted gold tone, whereas this is like really a harsh, more like a brass gold tone. So I really like this frame though. I like the oval frame. So what I might do is maybe spray paint it. We'll see. And then behind it, I have more of the same kind of white tan or grayish tan that I'm looking for. I'm not sure if the light's picking that up great, but these I got at Walmart also. These were $5 a piece, so that's not bad for picture frames. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm not sure if I mentioned I got these 2 at the dollar store, and I thought they were pretty because it came as a matted frame, which you don't typically see at the dollar store, so I thought those were really pretty. A glass vase that I picked up. I thought this was just so pretty to have on my nightstand. Again, I'm not sure if the color is, it's a very light blush color, but it has an iridescence to it. Hoping to get a better shot of it when it's up and running, but we'll see. Some blush colored florals that I'm going to put into this little vase here. And I don't know why I bought this. I got this at the dollar store too. And I like it for some reason. It just kind of spoke to me that the good things are coming. So I thought it was cute, and I thought the colors that were in it were really pretty. So we'll see. Little tip here, since these pillows are just for decoration, I decided to go with the cheaper one at Ikea. I think these were only $1.99 or $2.99 for a standard pillow instead of buying the actual inserts for a throw pillow. These were much cheaper. So, little tip of saving some money if you're doing some redecorating. Guys, there was so much dust on the top of these curtains, and in a second you're going to see how clumsy I am trying to get the new curtains on the curtain rod.
Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm funding it. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
So I'm just grabbing the comforter cover out of the dryer, and you're going to have to wait till the end to see if I keep this on the bed.
Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Will say two things I do love about this comforter cover is the fact that one, it has ties at the corner, so your comforter is not kind of just going to one side when you're trying to make your bed and stuff. And two, it has a zipper, which I tend to like that a little bit better than the buttons. I seem to be fighting with the buttons all the time. So the zipper's cool, and the fact that your comforter can stay attached to the corners is a cool thing.
I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I do have changes that I'm already going to make to this room. I do have a piece of furniture that I want to paint to put as my nightstand, and then I have a little vanity that I want to paint to put over in another spot in this room. And I'm thinking of putting my TV up on the wall because this dresser has a mirror that goes to it that's really pretty, and I find that the mirror makes the room look a lot bigger because it is a small room to begin with. So make sure you are subscribed because you'll be able to see those projects coming up at a later time.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
So I'm going to show you a little trick I have for my candles. I will cut them with a pair of nail clippers that I don't use anymore, and I'll cut the wicks before I light it. That way, as it's burning, you're not getting that black soot around the top of the candle from the wick being too long and the flame being too high. And I'll do this every time that I go to light my candles. It's just a little trick that I have. I find that it works really well, especially the nail clippers, because it's easy to just get in there and clip the wicks. And I do have a video showing all these little tips that I'll link above here too.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit to your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
Alright guys, so you can see this is the next day, and I did change my mind. As much as I loved the look of the comforter with the duvet on it, like that just pillowy plush look to it, I couldn't get past the fact that it was a pure white. Everything in my room is kind of cream and tan and a little gold to it. So the pure white just kind of stuck out to me. Plus the fact that that comforter was so hot. And even in like January winter time when it's super cold, I like to have just a sheet and a little blanket on me, and that's it. So I was sweating hot with the big comforter on me. So I did give it to my daughter and she can use it. She has more cooler tones in her room. She went with like gray colors in her room. So if she wants it, she can use it for her room. And I do like how this comfort, or coverlet I should say it is, looks on the bed because of the warm tones in my room. Plus I wasn't sweating hot at night when I was trying to sleep.
Be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you.
How many times can a person change their mind in one video, right? I decided that these would probably look better for spring and summertime, so I went with my basic tan for my larger pillows that I have in the back. But I was just laughing at the fact that, like, really, I'm changing my mind again.
Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do.
So now I'm going to move over to getting something on my walls, and this is my photo album from my wedding. And the sad thing is this album literally just sits in my closet. It's not out on a table or anything. So I figured, why not put the pictures that are in it to good use and put them in a picture frame and hang them up on the wall.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. 'Cause I got better.
I'm going to use these command strips. It's a Velcro strip to hang these pictures. And I will say the picture frame is not that heavy, so I wasn't too concerned. I mean, there was the fact that I was like, all right, is this thing going to fall on my head? It hasn't so far, and they've been up for probably, oh, not probably, they've been up for over a month now, and we've been good. But I do like how easy these are. Let's face it, I didn't want to mess around with a hammer and nail because I knew I would just get all the pictures all wonky. Nothing would be lined up because, as you can see, I am literally just going to stick these to the wall. So I don't suggest doing that. I suggest maybe a little planning, but I don't do things like that. I just stick them to the wall, and where it sticks, that's where it stays. But I do like the strips. So if you are interested in something like that, it's just a command Velcro strip, which worked out really well. But I am going to end the video here. Like I said, I do have some projects coming up, so make sure you're subscribed. Bye, guys.